Alright, this video is for the 3D perspective practice link that we are going to do in class. As it says, use the link below to help you with drawing isometric, which are 3D objects. Draw the shape they give you. When you are done with the shape, click the next button for a new shape. And then it gives you some instructions on how to do it. Basically, you're just playing dot to dot to make 3D cubes. So if we scroll down, it says once you have gone one time through, go back and draw the same ones with one of the cubes missing. Okay, so this kind of gives you an example. So say 3 cubes is the first example, you go through and then you come back and draw only 2 of those cubes. So I'll show you right here. Click on that and it opens up to this website. Okay, as you can see, here are the shapes that you'll draw. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different drawings. Okay, so on here you would just connect dot to dot like I said. Okay, so if you scroll down, there's the clear button and then there's also the undo button. So the undo button just goes from the previous step. So if you realize you kind of like screwed up, 5 steps in or whatever, then you're going to have to either clear or just undo. Okay, so starting out, okay, this kind of depends on how you see it, but I would start with just one side and then just kind of go from there. So let's try to recreate this particular one just by drawing them. Okay, and then I would go here, here, and there. Okay, so this looks like that. So then I would go ahead and click clear, next, and then do this one. And like I said, do each one as is, and then come back in and do all of them with at least one block missing. Now obviously when you get to the very last one, you wouldn't have to do that, or you can do some other design. So that is going to be our 3D perspective practice that you need to complete in class.